Welcome to Code as It Is, your topics, our views. In the last video we have discussed about the Python list, how to access the list, how to access the range from the list. If you have not seen that video, please see that. Today we will be discussing as how to convert the list to the sum of the data structure like a stack and queue. So let's start. First, take an example of the stack. What is a stack? This is simple parts of the data structure where the last element added is the first element retrieved. So it's kind of last in, first out. It's also known as LIFO. So last in, first out. How we can use this from the list? So we have to use the append method to add the element, and it's easily we can done with the list. So and to retrieve the methods, we have to use pop to retrieve the method to element from the list. Okay, let's take a simple example. Let's take we have numbers, number list. So number list. Okay, so we have something like odd number or even number 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, now let's add something. So num list dot append. Okay, we have appended something like 2, 4 is there. Let's return 10. Okay, and the list one more dot append, it's 12. Okay, now let's print the list. Print the list. It will simply show the list of all this value. So saying 2, 4, 8, 6. Now in the stack, what's the last in? It's 12. So if we write something like print, if you something num dot pop. See here, we have inserted last 12 number and it's popping 12. Now if we again do the same, dot pop, we write run this. See here. So whatever the element which is last added should be first out. So that's its stack. Now let's talk about the queue. Queue is it's kind of first in, first out. It's known as FIFO. So first in, first out. Okay. By default, list is not mostly used for this queue, but it is also possible to use list as a queue. How? We have to use the collection.dq. There is one specifically designed collection. We have to do this collection.dq. With the help of this, we can implement list as a queue. Let's take a simple example. For importing this collection, what we have to read? We have to read collections, and then we have to import what is dq. Okay, we have imported the dq. Now let's take an example of number list. Same here, number list. We have second. Then we have to pass something like dq. We have to pass the list like the same even number 2, 4, 6, and 8. We have passed this. We have created the dq. Okay. For this, let's append dot append. Let's appended the 10 one, and then we have append 12. Okay, let's print this. Print the num list. We run this. See here, it's printing the dq 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Now for getting the value, it's the pop left. We have to use this pop left. Let's print this. See here, pop left, and then let's run this. See here, we have first added is 2, then 4, then 6, then 8, till 12. The stack is reading 12 because last in, first out. In a queue, we have first in, first out. So their first value is 2, so it's giving the 2. Let's take one more. Num list dot pop left. Okay, now it will give the 4. See here, 2 or 4. So these are the simple way to convert a list to queue by using this collection dequeue. There's a third one. What we have to use? We have to use the append for adding element, or item element, and then we have to for retrieving this, we have to use pop left. Okay, for retrieving. Okay, now let's tuple. As we already know, tuple and list are mostly same. The only difference is list is mutable, tuple is immutable. How to convert the tuple to the list? So we have one command, or you can say the list constructor. Inside you have to pass the tuple and it will return the list. Let's take a small example. Okay, let's declare one num tuple. Okay, tuple, the list start with the big bracket, it's start with the small bracket. So let's start the list at the odd number, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, now I want to convert this into the list. Num odd list. Okay, so what we do, we have to pass the list to the, there is two options. I can directly pass this name, okay, and then print this, the num odd list. See here, it's giving list. If you want, you can check this also. So this is a simple way to convert list into the tuple into the list. Okay, this one is the example of stack. Okay, it's a simple way to convert the list to queue, list to a stack, and tuple to list. Okay, in the next video I will be covering dictionary and their methods in detail. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. If you have any things need to be mentioned, any feedback, any comment, please write in the comment box. Thank you.